ya!
What's going on, Steve?
It's some kind of sadistic vindicator fight club. I've heard of these, but I've never seen one.
They want me to fight the chicken?
It's a fight to the death, kid! Chicken jockey!